Hey everybody, welcome to my video about AirPods Pro tips. In this video, I'm going to go over a number of useful tips and tricks that will help you get the most out of your AirPods Pro. Now let's get to it. The first tip I'm going to share is something pretty simple that I've come to learn not every person seems to know. You can adjust the noise cancellation straight from the AirPods Pro themselves by long pressing the force sensor button. I still prefer to change it in Control Center when I use them with my iPhone. But changing the noise cancellation option this way especially comes in handy if you're using them with an Android device or Windows computer. And while we're talking about different ways to change the noise cancellation mode, did you know you can also adjust this setting from your Apple Watch when you're using them with your iPhone or Apple Watch? Just tap on the audio output button in the Now Playing app or Control Center on your Apple Watch, and the noise cancellation controls will show up at the top of the list above your audio output devices. The next tip might sound silly, but when I've shared it with some people, it really helped them. I've met some people with AirPods Pros that tell me they often have a hard time taking them out of the case. This happens because they're usually trying to pull them out of the case like regular AirPods. Instead of pulling, just swivel them in the case towards yourself and you'll find that they pop out much easier. Another tip I've found some people aren't quite aware of, you can rename your AirPod Pros. Renaming them is pretty much the same process as renaming regular AirPods. So if you'd like to learn more about how to do that, check out my video on how to rename your AirPods. The instructions are the same. I'll leave a link in the description below. Did you know you can further customize the force sensor press speed and press and hold duration? Make sure your AirPods Pro are connected to your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and go to Accessibility. Then choose AirPods. In this menu, you can slow down the press speed of the force sensor, which might make some of those double or triple press commands on your AirPods Pro easier for you. Below that option, you can also adjust the press and hold duration if you find the default setting takes too long for how you like to use them. And while we're in this menu, did you know you can change the default behavior of your AirPods Pro and allow the noise cancellation to work in situations where you're using only one AirPod Pro at a time. This is great for people that like to use them one at a time to keep them constantly going all day. One really cool feature that's not just unique to the AirPods Pro, but also works with regular AirPods and most newer Beats headphones, is the new ability to share your iPhone audio with a friend. It's called audio sharing, and it's a great feature where you can share your music with all your friends. If you'd like to learn more about this cool feature, check out my video, iPhone AirPods Audio Sharing on iOS 13. I'll leave a link in the description below. The last tip was brought to my attention by a friend that's so simple I never even thought of it. If you ever need to block out background noise and just have some quiet time, you can use your AirPod Pros like earplugs. Just pop them in your ears and turn on the noise cancellation. You don't have to play any music. The noise cancellation will still work and tone down or even remove the background noise so you can get some quiet time. It's great for studying or even when you have to walk by loud traffic or construction zones. Those were some great tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your AirPods Pro. If you'd like more detailed information about how to use AirPods Pro, check out my AirPods Pro user guide and tutorial video where I go into great detail about how to use them. Did I miss any tips or tricks for the AirPods Pro? If so, feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're down there, don't forget to ring that bell and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos, including tech how-tos, every week. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.